Jackfruit begins its journey right here, in carefully managed orchards where climate, soil, and timing determine final quality.
Only fully mature jackfruit is selected, identified by aroma, color shift, and surface texture.
Experienced growers use sound and firmness to confirm optimal ripeness before harvest.
Harvesting is done manually to avoid internal bruising that could affect drying quality. Freshly harvested fruit is protected from direct sunlight to preserve sugars and moisture balance. Within hours, jackfruit is transported to the factory to prevent enzymatic degradation.
The processing facility operates under strict hygiene and food safety protocols. Upon arrival, every batch is logged and traced back to its original orchard.
Size uniformity is essential to ensure consistent drying performance later.
Any fruit showing defects or overripeness is removed immediately from the production line. Approved jackfruit enters the first stage, industrial cleaning.
Surface contaminants like dust, latex residue, and microbes are removed using filtered water.
Mechanical brushing ensures deep cleaning without damaging the fruit. Clean fruit moves forward into the controlled preparation zone. All operators follow strict hygiene standards, including gloves and sterilized tools.
Precision cutting allows safe access to the edible jackfruit bulbs inside.
The edible bulbs contain natural sugars that define the final dried flavor.
Only intact bulbs are selected for drying to maintain texture.
Seeds are removed to ensure even dehydration and consumer convenience.
Prepared bulbs are now standardized for size and thickness. Vision systems detect color inconsistencies and surface defects. Automation increases accuracy and reduces human error. Uniform raw material is critical for controlled drying results. Precise weight control ensures stable drying parameters. Before drying, jackfruit undergoes stabilization to protect color and aroma.
Oxygen exposure is minimized to reduce enzymatic browning.
Environmental parameters are digitally monitored in real time. Small adjustments here have major impact on final texture. Proper pre-treatment preserves the fruit's natural golden tone.
Samples are taken from every batch for laboratory testing.
Initial moisture content is recorded to calculate drying curves.
pH stability ensures flavor consistency and shelf life.
All results are digitally stored for traceability.
Only approved batches proceed to the drying phase. Uniform tray spacing ensures equal airflow distribution.
This is the heart of the production line: dehydration. Jackfruit is arranged to maximize surface exposure.
A sealed environment guarantees process stability. Temperature and time are carefully programmed.
The transformation from fresh fruit to dried snack begins.
Hot air gently removes moisture without cooking the fruit.
Moisture evaporation concentrates natural sweetness.
Internal sensors prevent overdrying or burning.
Balanced airflow ensures consistent texture across all trays.
Visual checks confirm structural integrity during drying.
Drying follows a slow, controlled curve.
Patience is essential for premium dried fruit quality.
Modern dryers recycle heat to reduce energy consumption. Any abnormal condition triggers immediate correction. Moisture levels reach the target range.
Gradual cooling prevents condensation damage. Perfectly dried jackfruit emerges.
Texture is chewy, not brittle.
Final moisture content ensures long shelf life.
Flavor is checked for natural sweetness and aroma.
Stabilization continues outside the dryer.
Cooling locks in texture and flavor. Safety systems remove any foreign objects.
Only flawless pieces move forward.
The product is now ready for packaging.
Each portion meets exact weight specifications.
Packaging begins immediately to avoid moisture uptake.
Oxygen is replaced to extend freshness.
Airtight sealing protects quality during storage. Full traceability is guaranteed.
Branding communicates quality and origin.
Packaging integrity is verified regularly. Cartons are designed for transport protection.
Automation increases speed and consistency.
Products are secured for logistics.
Temperature and humidity are strictly controlled.
Digital inventory ensures stock accuracy.
Compliance with international food standards is essential. Products are prepared for global distribution.
Logistics efficiency preserves fruit freshness.
Jackfruit snacks are ready to travel worldwide.
dried jackfruit reaches consumers across continents.
Convenience meets natural nutrition.
Result of precise engineering and care.
Drying transforms shelf life while preserving flavor.
Jackfruit provides fiber and natural energy.
Technology and agriculture work together. Skilled people power modern food production.
Sanitation prepares the line for the next batch.
Every step matters. The cycle always begins with quality fruit. From orchard to can, nothing is wasted. Trust is built through transparency.
Orchestrated. Science delivers consistent taste.
This is how jackfruit becomes a modern, global snack.